Hello guys, welcome to Zero Arabic. Start learning Arabic alphabets, a self-study course. I am your narrator for this course, Muhammad Mursalin Saad. Before we proceed, please subscribe and like. Hello guys, welcome back. This is lesson 13, La and Ya. We are going to write like this. This is letter La from top to bottom. Then from here, just go slants a little bit. Alphabet La. Next is alphabet Ya. From here on top, curve and like a semicircle. Let's observe how I write the letter La. From the top, first stroke Fatha. I repeat again. From the top, down, top again, curve, put a stroke, Fatha. Now let's do the letter Ya. From top here, curve in, 2, then a semicircle. You have to put 2 dots here. First stroke, Fatha stroke. Let's do it again. One more time. From the top, stroke, down, sideways, semicircle, 2 dots, 1, 2. Put a Fatha stroke. That's it. La, La, Ya, Ya. That's it guys. Please subscribe and like by pressing the bell to get the latest updates.